Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I would like you all to look around yourself. You will find a variety of things. Okay? Tell it to yourself. What all things do you see? There are plants, animals, people, buildings, rocks, soil, and many other things. Now, as you all are in your house, you can see a chair, a sofa, yes, a table, okay, or if you go to a kitchen, you can see spoons, plates, and all. Now, can you tell me among these things what are living and non-living? Living things are those which have life, and non-living things are those things which do not have life. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, living things and non-living things. Okay, so how do you know whether a thing is living or non-living? They will have few characters. Okay, so the characters of living and non-living things. First thing is, living things breathe. Now keep your finger in front of your nose, that is under the nose. Take a deep breath. Now leave the breath. You can see that the air is coming out from your nose. That means that is you are breathing. Okay, so all living things breathe. Without breathing they cannot stay alive. Even the animals like fish, they also breathe, but not through nose but through special feature like gills. So fish breathe with gills. Then we have insects. Insects breathe with the help of small holes on their body which are known as spiracles. What are they known as? Spiracles. So fish breathe with gills, insects breathe with spiracles. Then we have plant. As you all know, leaf makes food. Now stomata are small holes under the leaf through which the leaf breathes. Okay, so stomata are the small holes through which the plant breathes. Okay, next we will come to breathing. That means living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Now you can see in front of you there is a sofa. Is the sofa breathing? No. So non-living things do not breathe. Next, living things move. Living things move. For example, you all move from one place to another place using what? Your hands? No, using your legs. In the same way, animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Or if a deer has to run very fast if there is a lion behind the deer. Now why is the deer running so fast? To escape from its enemy. Okay, so living things move. Fish moves in the form of swimming. Birds or insects move with their wings. Then we have plants. Do plants move? No, they do not move from one place to another place. But being in their own place, there are some special plants which move. Like sunflower plant. Sunflower will move towards the sunlight, sun. And there is one more plant which is called touch me not plant. If you touch that leaves of that plant, the leaves will close. Okay, that is the movement it is showing. And non-living things do not move. If you keep your pencil in one place, will it move and go to another room? Okay, will it move? No, it will not move. So non-living things do not move. Then living things grow. Now look at yourself. When you were born, you were a baby. But now you have grown and come to class 3. Is your height the same as you were born? No. That means you have grown. Now if you go to class 7, you will be more taller, inshallah. Okay. So living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. If you keep a stone in front of you, yes, after 5 years if you see that stone, Will the stone grow? No, it will not grow. So non-living things do not grow. Living things feel and respond. What is the meaning of this? Feel means if your father shouts at you, you will feel very bad, yes, and you will start crying. That is, you feel sad. You cry. And respond. Respond means, for example, somebody is throwing a ball towards you. What do? You catch that ball. So you are responding. Okay, somebody calls you from behind. You turn and see. That is called respond. We respond through our sense organs. Okay, non-living things do not respond. They do not feel. How much ever you hit the table, will it cry? No. Next, reproduce. Living things reproduce. That is, they give birth to their young ones. Okay. Non-living things do not give birth to their young ones. Next, food. Living things need food. We need food to get energy, to play, to run, to do all the work. But non-living things do not need food. Then living things die. Okay. Now die means, like for example, every living thing has got a definite period of lifetime. Okay, that is called lifespan. Like dogs and all live for 14 years. Yes, human beings will live for 60 years, 70 years, 80 years. That is called lifespan. So, but ultimately everybody die. All living things die. Whether it is a tree, plant, living, that is animal or human beings. All living things die. Non-living things, because they do not have life, they do not die. If you are having a mountain, yes, in front of your, like you go for picnics and all, that mountain will be there for millions of, hundreds of years. Okay, it will not die. Okay, so these are the things about living things and non-living things. Thank you.